Being a good businessman is being able to see opportunities and grab them. Before you grab them, you need to even spot opportunities and say, okay, this is an opportunity. This is something I want to do. All right. So that's exactly what we'll talk about. Some ways you can make money from a flight space. And one very beautiful way you can make money from flight space is by selling tickets yourself. Yes, you could sell tickets. You could help people book flights. This is what I mean. A lot of times, not everybody know how to book. Amazingly, not everybody. Not everybody even know how to use Facebook. All right. Yes, you'll be surprised. A lot of people do not know how to. All right. That being said, the way you could make money, one way you can make money is helping people book flights. This is what I mean. So for example, let's say I come to you and say, hey, my friend, please, I want to book flights to Australia. Can you help me? And then this is you, all right, sitting pretty, and you got that order. You want to help me book a flight, and then you take money from me. So maybe this is me here, all right. This is me here. I give you money. Please help me book flights. And then you go to a different website, get the cheapest of them, and then you help me book it. All right. This is one way, helping people book flights. Very simple, very easy. Book flights and hotels. Best way to go about this is first of all understand the platforms you want to use. So you have several of them. If you want me to make a video on several platforms you can use to book flight and hotels, cheap flights and hotels, let me in the comments section. I'll do that video just for you. Right? But subscribe to the channel so I can give you 20 plus websites that can make all of this happen for you. But let's come back here. One way, help people book flights. So this is it. You could charge them whatever it is you want to charge them. For example, if you come on a website like this, right? Let's say, for example, okay, from Lagos, say somebody is traveling to the US. All right, let's say a person is traveling to the United States. Just put in a date. Yep, put in, all right, adult. I'm just going to go on, just show you something. Just hang with me. And then it's going to show you different flight rates. San Francisco, this is how much it is, $1,500. See it here. This is 1.9 to New York, all of this. So what you do, how you make money with this is that you simply look at this markup. What do I mean by markup? This now, for example, is 1,109. Now what you do is tell me that, say, hey, this is what I'm going to charge. I'm going to charge 1,209 and you pocket $100. It happens, all right? This is you marking up, all right? So how do you go about this particular style of making money from flight business? One way you could go about this is that when you're marking up, make sure you mark up good. What I mean is sometimes some things can go wrong. What do I mean by things can go wrong? Sometimes the tickets you're booking sometimes can change over time. This is what I mean. If I tell you that I want to book a flight, maybe I tell you on a Monday, and I did not, engage you, I did not pay you to help me do that till next week Monday, this price can change from 1,109 to about 1,209. So what happens is that you left with no profit. This is what you do. Instead of marking $100, I usually like marking like $100. The thing is that it's going to be very difficult for a flight to change from 109 to 1,309 in the space of 1 week. Almost impossible. I'm not saying it's not possible, I'm saying almost impossible. So a 200 buffer is usually very nice. All right, $20 buffer. If at the end of the day it's cheaper, you make more money. At the end of the day, if it goes up a bit, maybe like becomes 1,209, you make money. But then a $200 is a very good buffer. You can make more, you can charge more. So if I'm coming to you and you know that I don't have money, you probably will not mark up a lot. But you don't have money, you will mark up a lot, enough to make some money from it. But please, when you're doing this, please note that always tell your client that the flight rates change over time. So if they are booking, if I'm asking you for a price, tell me that it is 1,309 as of today, as of this week. The flight can change. People that travel know flight rates change. Nothing is stagnant. Matter of fact, you can book a flight in the morning. Check for a flight in the morning. You want to book it in the evening, price can change. It's very possible. So put this in the back of your mind so they know that this is very possible. What is happening is 100%, right? So this is one way of doing this, helping people manually booking their flights. The other way you can do this is by simply running an affiliate travel system. This is what I mean. Okay, so let's come back here. If you scroll down, click on affiliate. It's going to take you where you can book I mean, you could start apply uh, now for an affiliate to join the affiliate network. Click on it, and it's going to ask your company name. Put in your company name. Ask you the country where you are signing up from. You could say United States if that's where you live. But please put in the country where you are. Okay, I mean where you're registering. And you could change location maybe sometime later on, but put in the country, the actual country where you are currently living, or where you're registering this account in. Okay, because it affects a lot of things, it affects the currency you receive, whatnot. So how do you make money from this? You simply make money when people book flights from your website or your blog or from your social media bio or Instagram bio, Facebook bio, TikTok, wherever it is. You could make money when people come to a link, all right, and they click on the link that is on your website, all right, and then you make money. Okay, it's really this simple. I know you may be wondering, so is this simple? Somebody will just come and just subscribe, I mean, click on a link, book a flight, and make money? Of course it is. If it's not working, a company like this Kayak would not put an affiliate portal there. But they know that the more people who are maybe influencers or people who the travel space, the more content they drop, the more traffic they attract to that content. Possibility that people will come on those contents, click on their links, come on this platform like Kayak. It works. I've been doing it. Lots of my students have been doing it. They've been making lots of money, running a affiliate marketing, the flight booking space. So this is just one website. There are several websites you can do this. You could go on, sign up as an affiliate. So we've talked about the first one, helping people manually book flight. Second one is by creating a blog or creating some sort of content where you direct people to your link. So they go there, click on your link, and then you make a commission. Any sale, there are cookies on this website. So when people go there, they can just click on those links, and then you make a commission from any of the sales you make. Either they book hotels or they book flights. The good thing is that even if they close the website and come back later on, for example, if I close the website and I come back 30 days later or 29 days later to come and book a flight, you still make the commission because the cookies that's installed on this website has already been, installed in their visit. So that will count as a visit from you whenever they make a product in 30 days time, make money. That's the second way you can do this. The third way you can make money from the travel space easily is by creating content like this, what I've been doing. The more content you create, the more money you make as per how you recommend to people. And some people might want to start a flight booking business. The more content you drop, it puts you in a position of an authority so that you can help. For example, so far so good, I've created about 12 of this travel business for my students and clients, and they're all making money. So if you are good in travel space, you have the technical know-how, you know what's happening, you know what to do, then this is an awesome way for you to make cash. Being an authority. Being an authority, you recommend, you offer a service of either helping people start up or help them create awareness or whatever it is. Once you create content, the travel space, you make money because the more information you put out there, like breadcrumbs, you follow the breadcrumbs and the breadcrumb will lead them to you. Will lead them to you. You can help them even book their flight or consult for those who have flight businesses. Then you make some really good cash on the way. These are some of the beautiful ways, not all, but so there's like three of them that can give you money or make you money in no time. And some of these things are very cost effective. So they need to spend any money in there. Why some you have to spend? For example, you want to have a website like this, you want to get like this, flight booking like this, and the website to put all this together. If you don't know how to do this might be looking so overwhelming, tell us in the comment section and we can do this for you. Simply create a flight booking business like this just for you. If you don't know, drop a comment in the comment section, send a WhatsApp message to WhatsApp that shows on the screen now, and then we'll help you, create this business start to finish. And because it can be a bit pricey sometimes, I assure you it's cost effective. For the long run, you have a flight booking business that creates you money again and again and again. And if you don't want to go this route and you want to go the route of being an affiliate, all right, you don't want to own a booking site like this, you want to be an affiliate, also send a message to WhatsApp number and then we can help you make that happen. We can simply help you, create a website, right, which can be your blog, and we can move and even go a step further in creating those blogs for you. We can create about 100 or 200 blogs for you. These blogs will be directing people to all of your affiliate links. Think about it. You have a blog that has about 200 blog posts. Those blog posts have different links, different travel sites, different flights. You end up making a lot of money. People go on your site, they click on it, make money from that. Not just making money from your blog, you also make money from Google AdSense. The more people that come on your website, and Google sees that okay, your website has grown enough, they can come and want to put in their ads, and when people click on those ads, you make money. So there are several ways to make money from flight booking. Your website, you could sell markups, right? Mockups, I mean. These mockups can be mugs, t-shirts, face cap, whatever it is, to your community, people who come visit your website, visit your blog. You can tell them you're giving them a discount. These are some amazing way you can make money in travel business, and it works now. It will work for a very long time to come because the flight booking space or the flight space come to stay has been around for a very long time. Another amazing thing you can do is also offer travel insurance part of the package you offer on your website, as many of the sites do not offer insurance. I hope this was helpful. If it was, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button, like this video if it made sense. Share this with anybody you think this might help. And let me know if you would implement this, if you want to start this business today. Let me know by commenting in the comment section and say, I'm going to start today. So I keep dropping content on my. If you want me to hold your hand, you have to send a message to the WhatsApp number on the screen and we'll get that sorted out. Or you want us to build you any of these things we talked about, do the same thing, either just comment, what number to WhatsApp number, then we'll jump on. Our aim is to simply make sure that you have financial freedom, that you have all the money you need to live and live life. You don't have to always struggle to make ends meet. Some of these things can help you make money in an automated style, meaning you be in your bed. If you're serious about starting a flight booking business, know how to go about it, and maybe you don't want to jump in and watch this video as I explain how to get started. If you want more, please catch my Twitters, subscribe, like, share,